Hi, welcome to another Shopify dev related video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can build a shop mini extension that will live in the product page and it will show the bundle that we built in a previous video in the shop mobile app. But first of all, what is the shop app and what is the shop mini extension? I think if you already been using Shopify, you already know the shop app. It's a mobile application that will let customer discover and shop from different Shopify store in their mobile app. And this mobile app is built using React Native, and this is what the shop mini extension is about. It's a React Native application that will live in the shop mobile app and it will be linked to a Shopify application. Think of it as the Shopify checkout UI extension, but this one can be live in the product page, shop page, order page. We will see all the possibility later on in the video, but for now we will go to the screen and I will show you what the shop mini is about, and also I will show you an example of what we will be building in today's video. So let's go back to the screen. So this is the shop app mini landing page, and shout out to Mladen who let me know that this product exists from Shopify, because I never know about it. Even it was a part of Shopify edition. I think I'm not sure about which version, but it was included in one of the Shopify edition. So this is the landing page, and you can build many things. For example, shoppable posts like the Instagram one, like the one that you see right now. And currently we'll not be talking about that because it's like a standalone application, but for now we'll be just building a shop mini extension. So we can go to the shop mini extension. This is the doc for it, and we will be covering later on. This is currently the targets that we can use. For example, the product page before the variance picker, after description and policy, order management page, order management after visit button, order confirmation page, and the store page. So this is currently the available right now, and I think probably it will be more later on, but for now we will be just building that. So I will go to my simulator and I will show you what we will be building right now. So currently, if I go to my test shop, I will go to one of the products, for example this one. We will have like a bundle, this pulling the data from a Metafield that has been assigned by the Shopify application that I built previously in this video. So for example, we can select a bundle. After selected, we can click on add to the cart. After adding to the cart, as you can see, we can show, and we have the bundle that we select here. We can go to the checkout. We can go to order summary, and this is the bundle title, and this is the bundle product that we have inside of the bundle right now. So this is what we will build in. I will show you the application right now. So this is the Shopify application that we'll be using to be able to link the shop mini extension with this application, and it will be communication using Metafield, and we already have the cart transformation API already built for this application. So it will be handling the bundle for this operation, and we just need to provide a custom line property for that, but I will show you all of that in this video. So currently we can just say, for example, demo let's make it limited offer shop mini, and let's be generous and make it 90%. Let's select some products. Let's take this one and probably the three of them, and just create the bundle. So what this one does, it just save the bundle data inside of the product Metafield, and later on we will be retrieving that in the shop mini extension. So we can just go to the simulator, we can go back. I will remove this one from the card, and here you can just select some products that we add. I'm not sure which one I added. It's probably this one. Yeah, it's this one. So as you can see, we have a limited offer, the shop mini extension. We have 90%. We can select this one and add it to the cart. There's a problem, that's why I can directly trigger the add to the cart, but it doesn't include the line item property that I'm looking for. So that's an issue. And as you can see here, we have all the item. We can go to the checkout. And as you can see, this is the bundle title, and all the product is right there. So this is what we'll be building for today. So I will be starting. So you can go directly to this GitHub repo and you can just clone the bundle app, and I will show you the bundle app what does. So this is the bundle app. This is, we are in the bundle new page, and here we are just, when we are selecting the products, we'll be passing that to a Metafield with a namespace app.bundle, and the key which will be function configuration, and it will be just holding the bundle name, display text, show comparison price, direct to checkout, and select product. And for each product that we select in the resource picker, which will have this Metafield, so later on in the shop mini extension we'll be retrieving that. And as you can see here, we are just pushing the Metafield and updating the Metafield in bulk. You can check out the full app in the GitHub repo. So currently we'll be just not covering that. I will have a new terminal, and let's go to Shopify dev, npm init shop mini, and this is the shop mini CLI. So let's give it a name. So let's call it bundle mini extension product, and let's choose advanced. I will make it blank, so we can just start from a black canvas. Here we will be selecting the extension target. So let's do before the variant picker. So you can choose either after description, the default one, store, confirmation page, order management page, after visit button. So let's do this one, and let's make it blank. So it will be installing the extension there. While waiting for that to be installed, we can go to the app, and you need to make sure that you have the sales channel shop installed and you already follow the onboarding process, and you can go to the settings. It's really important to be able to have it for development. So you can go to the settings, and you need to make sure that development mode is turned on, because your Shopify store will not be discoverable by the shop app. So we need to make sure that this option is enabled. And also we can go to the payment. So we can go and search for shop payment, and just make sure that you are enabled test mode, so it will be just testing the transaction without making an actual payment. Awesome. So we can just go to the actual product or project, sorry. And one thing that we need to run is npx shop mini setup, and this will set up the shop mini app with our Shopify partner account. So I will select one of my partner account, and after that npx shop mini app link. So it will link the shop with the actual application that we have. So I will be choosing the bundle app, and after that we can just run npm run start. And here we can go and click on I, and it will open the simulator. So I'm currently using Mac, and it will be choosing the iPhone. So I will be using a simulator. So right now it's currently loading the shop mini. As you can see here, we have the blank. So let's open the code editor. So currently in the project, it's a React Native application. So we currently have here in the index.js, we have the viewer route, which is the fill in blank page that you saw in the simulator. And also we have the target. So currently we have the shop products variant rendered before, and this is the target. This is what will be showing in the shop products page before the variant picker. And currently we have access to GraphQL, so it will be using the Shopify storefront API to be able to access the data. So we currently will just be querying the product and the shop title and ID. So let's go to the simulator. Can go here, can go to the shop, and let's go to one of the products. So currently it's loading this button, so we can just make it like this, and we can go to the render, this one. So we can make sure, for example, let's say the default one, it's a hello world. So currently, as you can see, it's hot reloading and it's showing right now. Also in the console log, we can see the message right now. This is the actual input that we receive from shop. So we have the shop, the product ID and title. But in our example that I showed you previously in the first part of the video, we'll be querying the bundle for each product. And let's go to the app first of all, and this is the bundle app. So we can just go to the product, we'll be passing the ID, let's go here and check for the ID. It's this one. So this is the ID, and let's go for the Metafield. The key, it will be function configuration, and the namespace, it will be app those bundle, and let's display the value. Let me double check the naming. So we can go to the bundle app, it's configuration without S. So we have the value. We can also make the JSON value. So let's remove this one. So currently using the Shopify admin API, we can get the product Metafield, but we are currently using the Shopify storefront API in the shop mini application. So we can go the Shopify graphical app, and here we can do similar query, but it will be for the storefront, and you will see that the Metafield is null. There is two scenario. Currently the Metafield is not accessible by the storefront API, so we need to make sure that this Metafield is discoverable and accessible by the Shopify storefront API, and we will have another issue that I will be showing later on. So currently we can just go to this mutation. It's a Shopify Metafield definition create. It will create a Metafield, and for the definition we will have the access. So we'll have admin, it will have merchant read and write, and the storefront, it will have public read. Also we'll have the customer account, but it's not read for right now. We'll be passing the name, we'll be passing the type, the namespace, and the key. So what this one does, it will create a Shopify Metafield definition that will be accessible by the Shopify storefront API, because currently we can only access this one via the Shopify admin API, but not the Shopify storefront API. So after creating the Metafield, so it's been already created, so we don't have to use again. But if we go back here, we still cannot create the Metafield. So what the issue is, it's in the namespace. The storefront API does not convert this variable to the actual app ID. So we need to go and copy the actual app ID and pass it directly here. So it will be dash dash, and here we need to choose the storefront API is not the admin one, and here we don't have access to JSON value. It will be just value, and as you can see here, we are getting back the actual JSON of the bundle that we have on this product. So currently we have this Metafield. We can just grab it like this. We can go to our mini application, and here let's call it bundle, and it will be the Metafield. So currently we can just go back here and the extension data, we can just console log extension dot product dot bundle dot value. So we can go back here, can check in the logs. Let's go back here, and as you can see here, we have the bundle in a JSON format. So let's parse it again. So let's make an actual variable to check if the bundle is defined. We will be parsing that. So dot value, and it will be returning dot bundle. If not, we will just have an empty array. And let's just console log this one. So we can go back here, click again, and as you can see here, we have the actual array of bundle that we have right now. So currently everything is almost ready, so we can start building the bundle extension right now. So we can go back to the Shopify mini, and we have access to the extension API, and also you can check out, can go shop mini extension, and here you can go to the package, and you can go to shop mini extension, source extension. This is a list of all components that can be usable in a shop mini extension. So this is what we need to use to be able to build the shop mini extension. And in my case, I will be using the bundle collection. This is the stuff that you saw earlier in the video. So we can just grab and import that. You can just import it like this. We don't need the bundle, and just copy that like this. So this one, it will be image URL, and this one should be on action press. So we can go back. It's currently already loaded, so we can just make sure to have the hot reloading. So we can go back here, and instead of showing a static stuff, we can just go to map and map the bundle, and it should return this stuff. And let's add the types here, so it will be much easier for me to develop. So let's go to the target. I will create a new file. I will have it in the type, so it will be index.ts, and I will have the types for the bundle. So here it should be bundle. It will be an array of bundle. Let's import it as a type. And here let's go bundle display text, and here let's make it save bundle dot selected product dot 0 dot offer. So I have the offer in the selected product, but you can customize it as you like. I will make it like this, and for the image URL I will go bundle dot selected products, and I will map all the featured image there. So we have product, and it should be product dot featured image. And for the text, it will be similar to this one. And for the action, let's make it select this bundle. So let's go and go back here. As you can see here, we have the bundle, so we can just remove this title and make it bundle, and we have access all the bundle that we will get from the Metafield that we expose here. And as you can see here, currently when click on select, nothing happen, but we will add the logic right now. So currently we have access to some action, so we can go back and let's do use shop action, and one of the action is update line item property. And what this one does, it will create a custom line property for the product that will be selection right now. So we can go back here, and instead let's do update, and here we have line attribute. It will be an array of key value objects. So the key, it will be bundle index. I will show you why. And the value, it will be the bundle index. So here we have access to the bundle and to the index of the array, which is the bundle index. Let's convert it to a string, and let's add another one for the bundle title. So this one, it will be called bundle title, and it should be bundle dot display text. So this, it's a promise, so we need to add async. So let's make it await. And why I did have the index bundle index here, because in the bundle app that we built previously in our YouTube tutorial, we already have the cart transform API that will be handle the bundle on the checkout page. And on that, let's go to the graphical, we are getting the attributes bundle index, and this one that we'll be using to check which bundle in the select product the customer would like to select. And in the run function, we have the logic here to be able to check which bundle is and apply the bundle directly to the chosen bundle in the array of bundle. So let's fix this stuff. And currently nothing will, like we will have the await, but let's make it, for example, let's have a state here. It will be selected bundle and selected bundle. I will be using use state. And it should be null. So let's import use state here. And here, when the selected bundle is equal to the bundle index, we will show that this one is selected. If not, it will have the default of select this bundle. So this one, let's make it here and make it bundle index. Let's have a type for it. It will be either a number or so we can just go and refresh the page. So we have an error. Let me double check here. Okay, so we have an error here. So let's remove node model. Okay, let's refresh the page, and we have the bundle right now. This one is selected. So when it's selected, it will update the line item property, and when we click on add to the cart, it should have the bundle index. And as you can see right now, we will have the bundle index right now here. So this one will have all the bundle inside using the Shopify cart transformation API. So here we just pass in the bundle index to the line item property. So the Shopify cart transformation API will be handling the rest and make it as a bundle. And we can go to review and pay. And as you can see here, we have the limited offer. We have the bundle title that we set up here, and we have all the item in the bundle. So currently we can also make it, for example, we have access to buy product, add to the cart, and we have the option here. So we can go after this one, if bundle dot direct to checkout, so we can directly buy the product, or we can add it to the cart. So we need to pass the product variant. So I will be using the bundle dot selected products. I will be just using the first one in the array, but you can verify this one dot id, and the product id, it will be the extension data dot product dot id. Yeah, that's the only thing that we need. It will be the same, so this one, and it should be the same here for the byproduct. So currently when we are clicking on this one, it will have the index, and when the bundle is set to direct to checkout, we can just trigger by product function. If not, it will add to the cart, but there is a problem with that. I will show you the issue. Also, you can, for example, here do something like this: find product. Let's make it simple. I will make it product id, its extension dot product dot id, and here the variant id, it will be the bundle, and we can just remove this stuff and also remove this from here, and here let's make it products variant id, and this one that's great. So I will show you the issue that I'm talking about. So we can go here, select one of the bundle, so it's automatically added to the cart, but as you can see right now, nothing show up. There is no like a bundle right now here. This is the issue right now that I'm still having an issue with, but I'm not sure what exactly the issue. But I try to be able to add a timeout, to be able to wait until the custom property has been indexed, and the only solution that I managed to done is to be able, I don't need all of this, and when the bundle is selected, we can just have it a message here. It's not the proper way, it's not like a production ready solution, it just to be able to show you the potential of the shop mini, but I'm still in contact with the shop mini team to be able to figure out what the issue for this one. And currently we can just select this product. I will need to click on add to the cart. It requires a user interaction. We can go here, and as you can see here, we have the item as a bundle. And for this shop mini to be able to submit, you can go to the docs. So currently I didn't manage to submit my application that I'm currently looking for, but you need to run this command, the npx shop mini submit, and it will be submit for code review. After that, you can check this submission, you can cancel, and when the submission has been approved, your Shopify shop mini extension will be included in the next shop application release, and this will be accessible by the customer who install your Shopify application. And as time of recording this video, the shop mini team is working hard to be able to provide new platform updates, and it will not be approving new submission until the end of May of this year. So just take that in consideration. And also you can test the shop mini extension in your actual device, and you can just click on queue and it will have two options. Let's select this second one and let's open the products page and let's have the shop mini, and you can just scan this QR code to be able to preview the shop mini extension in the actual device. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video useful. This will be just an intro into shop mini extension to just give you the potential use case that can be helpful for Shopify store owner who are using your Shopify application and would like to have some of the features that you offer in your Shopify application inside of the shop mobile application. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.